Hello. So last day the balancing was done in acidic medium. So today I will do it in basic medium. So for example, let's take a chemical reaction, sodium hydroxide plus chlorine. So just write sodium hydroxide plus chlorine. Okay, that will give me NaClO3 plus H2O. NaClO3 plus H2O. Alright. So now, how to balance this chemical reaction? It is quite easy. Very frankly speaking, what are the changes that are happening in this chemical reaction? As we can see. One thing I have forgot. There will be NaCl plus NaClO3 plus H2. So let's write the NaCl over here. So it is, first of all, the Cl is 0, here the Cl is minus 1, and here the chlorine is, it is plus 1, it is minus 6, so obviously it is plus 5 to balance this. Now the chlorine from 0 to plus 5, it is none other than oxidation. And also, what about this one? 0 to minus 1. This is nothing but reduction. So oxidation half reaction is Cl2 into Cl minus, 2 Cl minus, remove 2 electrons. Okay, this is oxidation half reaction. And what about the reduction half reaction? Okay, nothing but Cl2 into ClO3 minus, ClO3 minus. The process is exactly same. First of all, we need to add a 2 over here to balance the chlorine. Now very simple, that is here 6 oxygens, so that's why 6 water will be added into this side. Okay, and also 12 H plus on the right hand side to balance. Now we have to balance the number of charge. So on the right hand side it is 12 plus and 2 minus, so overall 10 plus. So just remove 10 electron from this side, the charge is balanced. Here just multiply with 5. Okay, so this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Those who have seen the last video can relate to this. And simply we will add these two equations. So obviously it is not visible, so I am not writing this over here. Okay, just put it over here. I hope everyone will be able to see this. Yes, it can be seen quite easily. So 5Cl2 plus, okay, Cl2 plus 6H2O will give you 10 Cl minus plus 2 ClO3 minus plus 12 H plus. So now obviously we need to add these two. So it is 6. It is 6. Just a moment. Yeah, now it is visible. 6Cl2 plus 6H2O will give us 10 Cl minus plus 2 ClO3 minus plus 12 H plus. Alright, now we are doing this in a basic medium, so we cannot have an H plus over here. So just add equal number of OH minus on both the sides. Just add equal number of OH minus on both the sides. Why I am doing this? Because H plus and OH minus will give us 12 water on the right hand side. Now this 12 water you can cancel out with this 6 water. So overall this equation will become something like this. So overall with this equation will become something like this: 12 OH minus plus 6 Cl2 plus 6 H2O, but on the right hand side. So 10 Cl minus plus 2 ClO3 minus plus 12 H2O minus 6 H2O. So 6 H2O will be remaining on the right hand side. So that's it for this chemical reaction. All right. So I hope you have understood how to balance a chemical reaction in basic medium. Now you can see there is no H plus, there is only OH minus on the left hand side, exactly like this original equation. All right, that's it.